Wow, that's gonna be so nice, Naomi.
You like it?
Yeah.
Are they painting the closet?
Oh my gosh. Just the walls right now. Yo, what's up? Hola. Wow. Oh my gosh, this is excellent up here. We are at the last couple days here of our renovation in Echo Park. And I figured I'd just do a little tour of how it looks a few days before completion and what the work's been done so far. So check this out. New vanity, custom marble backsplash. Fixtures are new. And shower glass was existing, all new fixtures. And we applied concretta from a company here in Los Angeles to waterproof the walls and the floors, and went right over the tile that was existing. Really cool. Amazing. This was built. So we built this too. All this cabinetry was not here. And Naomi designed it. And then we had our crew build it on site. Ton of new storage up here so that this client will now have plenty of places to put things. And look at the color of this place. Wow. It's amazing. And it's hot, so that's why my lens has just got foggy. All right, Naomi's measuring art placement. We built these stairs. Custom made stairs. There were no stairs previously, and now there's a set of stairs. Custom stairs, custom bench, cabinetry, which needs to be finished up. We'll do a final walkthrough after we're all done and clean, but built this bench. Previously, the dining was over here. Oh, hanging smart. And now dining will be over there. We put this light in. A new pendant light. Painted the whole house. It's very foggy up here. Whew, there we go. I wanted to clear the steam off the lens. They're moving fast. Because with lime wash, you have to move really fast. So it dries quick. And it's getting steamed up again, my lens, but you get the picture. And we'll do another reveal once this is all finished up. Moving quick. Can't stop with lime wash. Right? Dries. All right, I'll get out of here. Really great color selection, and that's it for the house tour. These stairs, so nice. The results here, they look great, and they had a lot of light to the downstairs. Putting in some final touches. Some sconces on the walls. And there'll be a little bar cart there. And we are almost out of here. So pretty. Nice work, baby. Painted this room. Lime wash. And then we go into the primary. We painted the primary. And got a new vanity here. We're installing some hardware. This is Carrara marble. And we're putting some shelving up. We wallpapered the bathroom. Custom shelving, this beautiful hardware. And painted all the walls, the vanity. And some new hardware in there as well. Okay. Changed the doors too as well. The doors were not split like that. And now we have two doors, two split doors, French doors to go in. And it was just one standard door before, and now they're split. Space saving. And we have all these plants on the side because we are actually finishing some landscaping back here. There we go, looking good. We installed this drain across the back of the property. And the drain was installed to catch the water during rain, and we sloped it away from the home into the drain, and then sloping it away from this retaining wall into the drain. And today we're just kind of doing the last finishing touches back here. And the drain goes over here and then in there and out to the street.